this motor is blown off, so I'm here to change it. But I have already removed the compressor from the outdoor, but I want to show you something. See, so this is the new compressor I bought, brand new that I bought. See this. I cut the pipe to. Can you see it? Yeah. I cut the pipe so that I can just arrange it because the old one is taller than the new one. And you see what I found? See, this is serious. Don't you think the cause the reason why? Oh, I'm not getting it. Yeah. See, I think that's clear. See, the whole system is blocked. This is serious. Hmm.